In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're moving higher today. Crude futures coming off of 2 days of selling pressure to trade higher today, and currently we're looking at the futures market up about 2% on the day at the 71.70 level, which is near the highs of the day as well. And when you look at some of the factors contributing to price action, I think there's a few things influencing the market now. Initially, we did have some consumer sentiment data this morning coming in stronger than anticipated, so I think that helped support the markets temporarily this morning. And then throughout the day, it does appear that there's concerns about some geopolitical tensions increasing over the weekend potentially, and with that, we're seeing crude continuing to move higher throughout the session here as we get to the afternoon near or at the highs of the day. And so when you look at the general price action here, we are seeing crude up about $3 this week after closing lower last week. We are seeing crude up about $3 from the 68.70 level that closed last Friday. And also Baker Hughes rig count. We did have that recently released today, and that showed unchanged week over week. We didn't see any change in the active rigs week over week, and for the month, a decline of 2 rigs for the Baker Hughes rig count. So again, pretty benign Baker Hughes rig count data, but overall, just the general trends today appear to be supporting the WTI space as well as other energy markets as well, as we're seeing markets move higher here as we move towards the afternoon.